So in this video, we will cover the constants, and these are the most useful nodes in material. So basically here in the palettes, we have covered till here. So now we have constant 1, 2, 3, 4 and constant double. And there's a shortcut for first 4. We don't have shortcut for constant double. We can apply in the preference, I think. So for these like 1 2 3 4, so if you press keyboard button 1 and left mouse button, you will have constant 1. Then with 2 we have 2, with 3 we have 3, and with 4 we have 4. And then we can take this double. Okay, I just write here this is double. Okay, because it looks like this. Slightly color difference. This is more saturated, more green. This is more like faded green. Okay, but looks same. So what is this? So this content just constant just give you a floating points or floating value like 0 to any number. So you can use it and you can check it, like if you debug scalar values, you can see it will show you that number 0, and if you put the 1, it will show you 1. If you put 20, it will show you 20. So these are the numbers which can be used in any type of thing just to increase the number of anything. And you can use that number to do any math. Like in a math, there are numbers, and this is the number you can use to multiply, to add, to subtract, to anything. Like if you have in the 3, you have a color like red, and if I directly connect it here, it will be red, of course. And you can also decrease the value like 0.2, it will be darker red. Okay, but if you have this red, you can multiply this red with this constant and it will be 20 times more brighter, or you can make it like 0.2. So you can do anything with this number. You just need a math where you are using this number. Okay, and you can directly use this number, like in MCV it will show you 0.2 grayish, and 1 means white and 0 means black. So if you are playing like 0 to 1, it is like black to white. So you can use it in that case also. If you want a value from 0 to like black to white, can use this value from 0 to 1. So like in the metallic also you can use it. So 0 means no metallic and 1 means full metallic. Same as for specular and everything. So like if you connect it here, roughness, 1 means no roughness and 0 means like full roughness. So it will be fully reflected. You can see that. Okay, so after that we have two vector, and what is the use of this? So like in some case we have the two values, like you have a texture coordinate, and if you connect it here, it will show you the coordinates. Okay, and if you want to increase the tiling, of course you can like let me show you with the texture. That will be like you have this fire and you have this here, and then we are previewing this fire. This is 1, and we can make the tiling like 2 and 2. So this will be 2 and 2. And we can also change the tiling only one axis. So like B is 1 and this is 2. And let's say this is 1 and 1. And you want a parameter to change that in instance or in particles in blueprint. So you will multiply this. So now here in the multiply, we have a single value and we can use this 1. So 0 means no, and 1 means 1, and 2 means 2 by 2. But now I want to add it only single axis. So I just want to add it one axis. So what I can use this here. So it will separate that x and y, and if you have 1 1, that means this is 1, and now you can change any axis like 3 by 1. Okay, so basically in this one you have x and y that you can use where you have two vectors thing. Okay, now we have this 3 vector, and this 3 vector basically a color, but you can also use it anywhere. So like I want to use it here, so you can mask like a red, and we are using the red. So if we have any value in the green, that doesn't matter. Okay, but if we have red value, that will change the tiling. So if I have red 2, it will be 2 by 2, but if I do anything in green, nothing will happen because we are using the red channel of this, and this is also like a color. So, and I'll also show you the parameters how to use that. So let's say you have this color. Now we have the 4 vector. This is the same as 3 vector, just it has the alpha extra that you can use. So basically if you connect this here, you can use R channel and you can also use the alpha channel. So now doesn't matter what value you have in the colors. If you increase the alpha, it will affect the here map. Okay, so now we have this double. What it does, so if I take this constant 1 and this double, these have 0 value, and if I connect this here and make the 1, it's showing me 1, and if I make this 1 and connect it here, it will also show you 1. Although the name is double, but that doesn't mean that it doubles the value. It give you more points, more decimals numbers. So like if you will search on the Google like float and double difference, in the image you can see like the float has the 7 decimal digit and double had the 15. So it is the more accurate. Okay, you can see here in the image. It give you more accurate values. So if I'll show you in the example, so like in the floating value, I type 1 to 9 value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when I hit the enter, it is rounding of the value 9, 2. Okay. But in the double, if I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it shows you the same value because it is more accurate than this. Okay. Although these are the same. Okay, so the next thing, the parameters, how to create these parameters. So like you have a single parameter, this, you can convert it to parameter and type it the name, the tile, because we are using it tile. And if you want the direct parameter, you can press the S in your keyboard and you will have your direct parameter. You can call it tile. So how it works? So like if you have tile and you save this, and I make the instance of this material, that parameter will reflect here. So 1 means that we have this 1 tiling and you can increase or decrease. Similarly, if you have 2 vector, but if you make this like a parameter, it will convert it to a 4 vector. Okay, see, but you can use the 2 vector from this. So this is your 2 vector, but it becomes now 4 vector. So basically 2 vector doesn't exist in the parameters. Then we have 3 and you convert it to parameter, it becomes 4, and then you have 4, you convert it to parameter, it is 4. So basically like you can call it color or you can call it like uh, this is modify texture. So this is for vector to modify the texture, and in this one I use that R channel as my tile. Okay, and then let's say this green channel is the multiplier of the fire, and you can use also the blue channel for something. So let's say I save this, and now here we have this RGB value and I make this 1 1. So G is for multiplier for the boost of the color, and this R is for the tiling, and we have now 2 vectors also. So this is how you can separately use them. So these were the constant. I hope you understand now, and thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.